Hello everyone. Every piece of advice I'm going to share comes directly from the technicians at a well-known appliance repair shop in the city, so relax because we're going to find the solution. A dishwasher came into the shop showing the BE error right when trying to start a wash cycle. One of the technicians explained, "This code means the control board isn't communicating properly with the motor. It's like the dishwasher doesn't know if the motor is turning." The first thing they did was check all the connections and wires going to the motor, making sure everything was secure and clean. That fixed the error immediately. The next day, another dishwasher came in with the same problem, but this time, the error was intermittent. The technician said, "Sometimes the motor sends unstable signals, which makes the board display BE. It could be the sensor or the motor itself." When they tested the sensor, they found it was sending inconsistent readings. Replacing it got the dishwasher working perfectly again, showing that it's not always the control board at fault. In another case, a dishwasher was showing the error consistently, even though the sensors seemed fine. The shop experts inspected the control board, and one of them said, "When all the mechanical parts are working and BE keeps showing, the most likely cause is a failing control board. Replacing it is usually the final solution." This confirms that the electronics can be the culprit when the mechanical components are fine. On another occasion, the BE error would appear and disappear depending on the cycle. The technicians checked the connectors and noticed a loose connection on a motor wire. They explained, "Most of the time it's just a dirty or loose connector. Cleaning and securing everything gets the dishwasher working again." Here, the key was following the signal path from the motor to the board and making sure there were no interruptions.